So right now guys, I'm in my Huawei P30 Lite camera. So here on the top right corner we'll click on settings, and here on the top you can see resolution. So we'll click on resolution, and after clicking on resolution you can see the second option, 12 megapixel recommended. So I recommend you to click on it. So after clicking on it, we'll go back, and here you can see the more option on the right. So after clicking on the more, you can see different kind of features of your camera. So I will show you how you can use them professionally. So first of all, we'll start from the bottom. So here you can see the documents option. So if we click on documents and take a picture of a document, so it will make it like a PDF file. So right now, as you can see on the screen, so it will make it like that. So after the documents you can see the stickers option. So if you click on that and take a picture, so it's nothing special. As you can see on the screen, it will just show the date and time on the picture. So after that guys, you can see the next option is about 3D panorama. So this option is actually very interesting. So what you will do, you will just click on it and then you will drag your camera around, and after dragging your camera around, the result will be like a 3D means a moving picture and panorama means round. So that's the sample of it. That's how it will look when you will move your camera around. So guys, the next thing is the moving picture. So for example, if you are moving your hand around, as you can see in the video, so it's just like that. You will shoot it, and after that you will just click on that button and it will start playing. So it's just like a short video. So guys, after that you can see the time lapse. So if you click on it, it's just like fast motion. As you can know about slow motion, so this one is fast motion. So for example, as you can see, I have recorded for 10 seconds, but still it's 0 seconds. So right now you can see it has been shooted for 1 second. So if I play it, you can see that it was playing for just 1 second. So it's a fast video. So guys, the next option is about HDR. So it's very important feature in the Huawei mobile phone cameras. So actually whenever you are shooting the pictures of buildings or natural beauty, so I will recommend you to always keep it on whenever you are shooting the pictures of these places. So guys, the next thing is light painting. So this one is also a very interesting feature. So right now you can see these photos are made through light painting. So I will not go in the procedure and show you how you can make them. You can check them out yourself because it will take a long time. So guys, the next feature is aperture. So right now on the screen you can see that I've taken a photo of a motorbike. This photo is taken on aperture 0.95. So if you want to take photos of cars and bikes, so this feature is actually to take photos of this kind of things, so it will make the objects look stand out. So the next one is panorama. So before I've shown you 3D panorama, and this one is simple panorama. So this one is also like that. You will just click on the button and you will just drag the mobile phone like that, and a round picture will come out. So it's simple. So guys, the next option is about slow motion. So slow motion is that everything moves slow in a slow motion video. So you can use that feature for that. So the next option is Pro. So actually Pro is for professional users who know how to use it. So actually it's a long procedure. So maybe I will make another video and show you how you can use the Pro option. So after all this guys, we'll go back, and here on the top left corner you can see one AI lens option. So we'll click on it. So this option is very useful. So we'll click on next. And after clicking on next, you can see different kind of option like code scanner, identify, calories, products. So I will show you everything about them. So we'll start from code scanner. So right now I'm scanning a product, and you can see its code has come in front of me. So I'll just copy it, and after copying it I will just paste it. And after pasting it, if the products comes in front of me, the pictures, the articles, that means that the product is real, and I can also search its price. So that's how it works. So right now I'm in the second option of instant translation. So here you can see I have a product which is in German language. So I have set German to English. So it's translating it to English. You can see it's working. So that's how it works. So right now I'm in the shopping option. So here you can see I want to buy a similar thing. So I will search it on the internet. And here you can see they are showing the similar things and the prices. So that's how it works. So right now I'm in the calories option. So here if I want to know the calories of some fruit or food, so here I will take it on the camera in front of it, and right now it's showing that that tomato has 4.14 carbohydrates, protein 1.19 g. So that's how I can know it. So the next option is identify. So for example, if I don't know the name of something, I will take the camera in front of it and that option will identify that thing for me. So after AI lens, you can see the AI camera option. So right now on the screen, you can see two photos. One has AI camera on and the other is when the AI camera was off. So you can see the difference. There is a huge difference. So whenever you are taking photos, I recommend you to keep the AI camera on. So that's it guys. Other features are not so difficult to understand. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please hit the subscribe button on my channel. Thanks for watching.